They guide us, they support us, they teach us. Today is day to thank them and say Happy Teachers Day. I am Arohi Nair, student of Dyal Singh Public School. In class first diamond, I welcome to your assembly. Firstly, I would like to invite Bhavya for prayer.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन।
Thank you, Bhavya. Now let's listen Thought of the Day by Pranav Ranjan.
Good morning. My name is Pranav Ranjan. I read in Dyal Singh Public School. First diamond. You are my teacher and most valuable person in my life. You all are like a god for me. Happy Teacher Day. Thank you, Mittu ma'am, Ritu ma'am, Swati ma'am, Sonia ma'am. Thank you, Mrs. Tomar ma'am. I respect you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranav. Let's have a repeat on the beautiful occasion by Loria Gandhi. Good morning, everyone, respected teacher and my dear friends. Today I am going to give a speech on Teachers Day. Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president and excellent teacher. It is celebrated in all schools. School students give to their teachers. Teachers are like our parents and friends. A big thank you to all my teachers and Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, Loria. Now Manvi can perform my dance.